Welcome back. I'm Bri-Anne Alexis if you're new here, and today I'm getting my hair done at the salon. I was going for a wash and style, and I wanted to bring you all along with me because I didn't feel like doing my hair. So this is where I ended up. They started by playing WizKid, and if anybody has been listening to the WizKid album, you can attest to how good it is. So I was right in the mood, getting my hair washed, not me, combing it, standing in the shower, slaving over it. So I was really excited. Overall, it was a really relaxing experience. So I'm gonna let you guys watch. was really rainy this day, so here she's explaining why she did the curls so tightly, and she's saying that I just need to kind of like flip it forward and flip it backwards once I'm ready to go. And these are the final results. I was going for a looser, more body wave look, so I was really pleased with the results. They did drop a bit more than I wanted to because of the rain, but overall I was happy. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!